This arm snapped. I blamed the inserts. A 3mm hole in a high-stress joint. That's a weak point. So I built a rig to prove it. I was wrong. I designed two tests. The obvious one first. Straight pull strength. Then the one that actually matters. This is my parts crusher. A simple scale attached to a roller with a wrench. And those 3D printed hooks. One with insert and one without. This is a direct screw. Almost 23 kilos. And this is insert. Almost 56 kilos. The difference is significant. Direct 22 and 33. With a heat insert 55 and 59. Inserts win by a mile. Almost double the pull strength. Case closed. Threaded inserts are stronger. Except that the wrong test. RC arm don't get yanked straight out like a 10 stake. In a crash, the arms take a hit from the side. One end gets pulled this way, the other that way. The screw isn't being ripped out, it's being pushed sideways. Now let's take real RC arms, in PETG and PLA settings. One set with inserts and one without. I pulled from both ends, mounting point to wheel hub, a more realistic load than yanking a screw straight out. PLA with inserts 69, 65, 71 kilograms. PLA direct screw 63, 67, 66 kilograms. Identical within noise. PETG with insert 75 kilos. Direct screw 76 kilos. 1 kilogram different. That's not a result, that's a measurement error. So why did two completely different joint types produce identical results? Here is why. When a slicer generates toolpaths around a hole, any hole, 1.8mm or 3.2mm, it wraps filament in concentric rings around the openings. It's automatic. The slicer is already compensating for the void. The insert isn't weakening the arm. The toolpath is, and those rings don't bond well to the rest of the part. It's not the insert, it's not the hole size, it's FDM. The toolpath is the weak point. The material is the limit. Neither has anything to do with the insert. So, do threaded inserts belong in RC parts? Yes, but not because they make the arm stronger under impact. The test showed that makes no difference. What they actually do? Pull-out strength is real. 55 against 22. So for parts that bolt together and need to stay clamped, inserts hold the joint tighter. And for reassembly, a direct plastic thread gives you maybe 10 cycles before it strips, and inserts give you 50. That's the value, a hole that survives being used. Use them, just know what they actually do. Next video, weight and center of mass in RC. If you want to follow the build, subscribe. No fluff, just problems and data.